In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to cPanel from your A2 hosting client area. If you need to access your website hosting tools quickly, this is one of the easiest ways to do it. By logging in through your A2 hosting account, you can go straight into cPanel without needing to manually enter a separate username or password. This is especially helpful if you're managing your hosting account from a desktop or laptop and want a smooth, secure way to reach your website settings. To begin, open your web browser and go to the A2 hosting client area at my.a2hosting.com. Once the page loads, sign in to your account. Make sure you're using the correct account so you can access the hosting services connected to your website. If you manage more than one service, taking a moment to confirm you're in the right account can save time later. After you're logged in, look for the main navigation menu and click on Services. Then select My Services. This area shows the hosting products and services associated with your account. It's essentially the section where you can view and manage your active hosting plans, so if you're not sure where to go next, this is the right place. On the My Services page, locate your active hosting plan. If you have multiple plans, be sure to choose the correct one before moving forward. Once you find it, click Manage. This opens the management page for that specific hosting account, where you'll see several tools and options related to your service. From there, look to the left sidebar or the Quick Shortcuts panel and click Log in to cPanel. Depending on the layout you see, this option may appear in either location, but it serves the same purpose. After you click it, you should be taken directly into cPanel for that hosting account. Once you're inside cPanel, you'll be able to manage important parts of your website and hosting environment, such as files, email accounts, databases, domains, and other settings. If your goal is to make updates or perform maintenance, this shortcut from the client area is usually the fastest route. That's all there is to it. You start by logging into the A2 hosting client area, go to Services, and then My Services, select your active hosting plan with Manage, and finally click Log into cPanel from the sidebar or Shortcuts area. Following these steps gives you quick access to your hosting dashboard in just a few clicks.